Good morning, students. We were studying 2.2. Nature created man and woman as equals. So we have finished page number 31. Now come to page number 32. He shares equally with his wife in doing the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and feeding the children. In the previous page, we have studied that there is a gender equality in Ashakbi's house. Her husband is very supportive and their daughter need help from her parents on the topic gender equality. So we were discussing. So we have studied that how is Tomba. So how he shares equally with his wife in doing the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking and feeding the children. So he is a very supportive husband. He is helping his wife in doing household work like cleaning, washing, cooking and feeding the children. Had he not shared in these activities in the way he does, his wife would not have been a successful professional because he helped his wife in household work, so his wife becomes successful in her profession. He wholeheartedly believes in equality irrespective of class, religion and gender. Gender, fact of being male or female. So he believed that men and women, they both are equal. So he believed that equality of class, religion and gender is very important. In his discussion with his daughter, he laments. Laments means express grief and sorrow. Lament. Express grief and sorrow. So he felt sorrow for what? In his discussion with his daughter, he laments over the great injustice done on women in the society. So he felt sorry for what? For the injustice which is in the society. Telling her, my dear child, the world is still full of inequalities. We have to find a way to bring equality between men and women. So his daughter is asking about gender equality. That time he is feeling very sad for inequality in the society. He said that we have to find some solution to make men and women equal. So here two opposite words are there. Inequality. Inequality. Opposite is equality. Equality. So he is telling his daughter that we have to find some solution to make men and women equal. Her father's words are still ringing in her ears of Lenthoi, and she tells her mother of what her father has told her. As we have studied in the last page that Lenthoi is needed her mother's help. She told that I discussed this matter with my father, and what was the discussion? She told her mother that father is very sorry for the condition of women in this society. See the next paragraph. Appreciative of her husband for his views, Ashakbi says, your father is right. In no society do men enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by men. So her mother is also agree with her father. She said that your father is right. And in the society, women are suffering from many injustices. Men are enjoying freedom, but women are not as free as men. Women enjoy the same opportunity enjoyed by men It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home. What she is saying, that your father is very supportive. He is here in our house. We did not understand the difference between men and women, but in society there is difference. Some work, the work which have to done by lady only, that only they are doing. But your father is helping me in household work. But outside our home, I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. Subjugated, controlled and dominated over. Subjugated, controlled and dominated over in many ways. It is against the will of God. What is against the will of God? That women are suffering injustice. This is against the God. God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally. What? God had created men and women equally. Had He said any message that women will do this work and men will do this work? No. But here our society has created this barrier between men and women. This is against the will of God. He sent men and women on this earth to share His joys and sorrows equally. Means whatever sorrows are there, men and women both will share equally. Whatever joys are there, men and women will share equally. To share His blessing and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. Why God had sent men and women on this earth? To share joys and sorrows equally, as well as to share His blessings and enjoy the bounty of nature equally. This is what your topic means. She explained that this is what your topic is related to this explanation. Now, the question is there, how did mother explain Lanthoi's topic for her speech at school? How she explained? She explained that whatever your father is saying, it is right. Then God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally and to share His blessings and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. So answer from here, God has sent men and women to our earth to share His joys and sorrows of life equally till bounty of nature. This is the answer of this. How did mother explain Lanthoi's topic for her speech at school? Now come to the next paragraph. Ashakbi knows well that men and women are equal. Women, who are half of the human race, are as important as men. She writes and talks about such topics. Her daughter, though a child, also understands well that her mother is not a person of lesser equality than her father. She says, "Our home is full of love with you, mother." So Ashakbi, as a journalist, she is always talking about the topic of equality. And she is the lucky woman who has equality in her house. And though her daughter is small, she also understands that her mother is not a person who lesser equality than her father. Means in her house also, her father is important as well as mother. So both are equally important. The mother is not dominated. She says, "Our home is full of love with you, mother." What the daughter is saying that our house is proud of you and our house is full of love with you because you are also responsible. You are also a respected woman in this house. The mother beams with joy at the words of her daughter. So her mother was very happy. Why? Because as a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family. What? Her daughter said that, "Mom, you are, our home is full of love with you." With this word, mother is very happy. She said that as a matter of fact. What is the fact? That mother is the fountain of love in a family. What is the main role of mother? She is the fountain of love. This bond of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. What? Mother's love is not compared with any other thing in this world. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. Why? Why the love of mother is not compared? Because to become a mother, women have to face many challenges. So, motherhood has been glorified. Glorified, praised. Glorified. Glorified means praised. So, motherhood has been praised and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. To become mother, the lady has to face many problems. So, mother's love is not compared with any other thing in the world. So, this question is there. How is the role of a mother honored and praised? So, mother is the fountain of love in the family and motherhood has been glorified and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. So, answer of this question, underline these lines. Next, showing deep affection, Ashak B continues, pioneer, woman testified to the equality of women with men. Actually, life is not possible without both men and women. Now, pioneer. Pioneer means what? A person who is among the first to take up a cause, especially in a new region. Pioneer means the men. So, showing deep affection, Ashak B continues, pioneer woman, testified, provide proof. Our woman is the proof to the equality of woman with men. Actually, life is not possible without both men and women. What she is saying? Only women are not important and men are not important. Both are equally important. So, to start new, especially in a new region, women are important as well as men are also important. So, she said that men and women both are also important. So, we have finished the page number 32 and here we have studied some words. These words are there. So, your homework will be, you will read page number 32. Then learn and write new words. Then write question answers from page number 32. Question and answers from page number 32. So, these 3 points are there for your homework. So, page number 33 we shall study in the next period.